Hello, Matthew here from 39D. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to clear up your email account. Now, one of the things that we notice with many clients is they have what we call chains of emails where they constantly keep replying back to the same message. Now what this does is it creates multiple items in your inbox. So one of the tools that we use in Outlook is the mailbox cleanup tool. What this will do is consolidate all of the thread of messages into one message. So by combining all of the replies into one simple chain, we can clear out hundreds of items out of your mailbox, A, speeding up your Outlook, B, saving storage space, and also optimizing your Windows search and Outlook search by not having so many items to search. It's very easy to complete. We open up our Outlook and we click on folder up the top here, and then we go to clean up folder and then clean up folder. It will then give you the option, if you click on settings, you can choose what happens to your messages that get deleted. So I tend to change mine to deleted items and then press OK. By moving them to my deleted items, I get the option that should a message get mistakenly put in there, I still have got them. And then you press on clean up folder. It will now go through down the bottom here. You can see that it's going through and processing all my items. I had about 5,500 items in my inbox this morning. Gradually over the next sort of 5 or 10 minutes, that number will drop down to probably about 2,000 to 3,000 messages, obviously where I get copied in on quite a lot of chains of messages. I'm Matthew from 39D. If you would like any more tips or practical ways to improve your daily working, then visit our website at 39d.co.uk, where you can find some more educational videos around how to improve your productivity, your work, and also keep your Outlook running very efficiently. Thank you very much.